Hi, good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. I want to take a look at AVID Technology. This is ticker AVID. Now, I, like many others, saw Ja Rule talking about stocks on CNBC the other day. And I got to tell you, I'm excited. I think it's great that Mr. Rule is coming into the market. Now, if he is going to trade stocks actively, I think he should definitely consider looking at AVID Technology because this is the company that makes Pro Tools. Now, Pro Tools is a program that a lot of musicians use to produce their music. In fact, if you go on their website, they have a great deal right now. If you sign up for Pro Tools, you can get 3 months of unlimited auto-tune. I mean, what a deal, right? Oh, wait, let's auto-tune that. I mean, what a deal! So if you take a look at the AVID chart, we have a lot of good things going on right here. We have a well-defined uptrend above all the major moving averages, the 8 exponential, the 21-day exponential, and the 50-day simple. So AVID has been able to hold nicely above these moving averages and is developing a really nice trend. Even on Friday, when it looked like the market was going to zero, this stock did not break below its 21-day exponential period moving average, showing some really good relative strength in a choppy market. Today, we closed just under a recent level of resistance. You can see here how price got kind of bumped around at 1920. Here, bumped around at 1925, and today again stopped right at 1920. So what I want to see from AVID is a move above 1925 coming on higher than average volume. If we can get above and stay above that level, this stock could break out. So I have an alert right around 1925, and I'll be looking for that volume surge and a push to the upside. And I think you should too. So set some alerts, put it on your watch list, and we'll see how it trades tomorrow. I hope that video was helpful. Give me a follow on Twitter if you don't already, at Scott Trades, and be sure and sign up for Dan Fitzpatrick's free stock chart of the day at StockMarketMentor.com. We'll catch you next time.